Ooh, gee. Oh, ow. These things can hurt. That was the funkiest one I've ever had. Oh, God. These are big, bad hiccups. Look, two cameras looking at each other. They are going to meet. Hello. I'm looking into your depths. Can't see anything. Like my background? Blue roses, people. Gorgeous things. These sound like helpless little hiccups. They're like, help me, help me, help me. Oh. They always come when I stop talking. Seriously, I need to not stop talking. I need to talk forever. Talk forever and ever and ever and ever and ever. La, la, la. I don't see any more hiccups coming. I feel one coming though, so I'm trying to shut. Okay. Oh, I told you! So if I keep talking, I'm going to say all the words I see. Noun, word, proper, word, place, word, shows, blue, flu, action, blunt, 3, blunt, word, joins, word, describe. Oh, Jesus. All the same word. Computer people. Yay. I'm going on to YouTube. What do I have? Oh, I have a oh! Numa. I don't want to know. My friend Patience. Numa. Oh. I have one shared with you, one personal message, and one comment. How perfect. What the heck is that? I don't want to know. Oh, it's a new one. Ooh. Okay, I don't care about that one. What's that? Okay, come on. Stop being a butt. Face. I already have that. That was my comment? No, what the heck? I still have a message. Something's freaking up here. There was a new freaking message. Why did you delete yourself? Okay. My channel is gone. YouTube deleted my profile. Then how can you still be posting bulletins, you dork? Oh, wait. Oh, profile. That sucks. Okay, that's dumb. Oh! MySpace link. I don't care about MySpace because I'm not on MySpace. Because it's dumb. Alice Cooper! Oh, Alice Cooper! I love Alice Cooper. Okay. Oh. Oh, great. Excuse what I'm listening to, okay? Yes.
Chris Crocker, forgive me, Father, for I have sinned. There's just something inside of me that